as a fruit is falling from a tree, 8 meters high, height of tree is 8 meters, height of tree 8 meters. For as a fruit is falling from a tree 8 meters high, at the same time a child throw a stone vertically up towards the fruit at a velocity of 8 meters per second. Velocity of 8 meters per second. That's the velocity the child used to throw the stone on the tree, towards the stone, the fruit. At what height from the ground will the stone hit the fruit? At what height from the ground will the stone hit the fruit? At the point where the stone hit the fruit, the stone will stop moving. Immediately hit the fruit, it will stop moving and want to come down the stone, and as such the velocity of the stone will be 0. At the point where that point of collision, where it hit the stone will hit the fruit, the velocity of the stone will be 0, because the stone will stop on hitting the fruit and want to come down. So we can use the third equation to solve it, because at that we have known now that at the point of collision, because the question said at what height from the ground will the stone hit the fruit? At that point where it will hit the stone, the velocity of the stone will be 0. So if we use the third equation, we have v squared, that's 0, is equal to u squared was that velocity with which the boy raised the stone, which is 8 meters squared now, minus is going against gravity, 2 times 10. But at what point? 2 times s. At what point, that is, at what height did they hit the stone? So from there, s, if you work out that equation, s will give you 3.2. If you work out this, that is s is equal to 8 squared, which is 62 over 20, which got 3 points, which is get us 3.2 meters, 3.2 s is equal. So it was at the height of 3.2 meters that the stone will collide with the fruit at the height of 3.2 meters. So the question says, as a fruit is falling from a tree 8 meters high, at the same time a child throw a stone vertically upward towards the fruit at a velocity of 8 meters per second. At what height from the ground will the stone hit the fruit? At what height from the ground will the stone hit the fruit? We saw that the third equation can solve the problem, because at that height where the stone hit the fruit, the velocity of the stone will be 0. The stone will stop. So with this we get our s, which is the height. We got 3.2 meters. Thank you very much.